Hello and welcome to Mülheim, Ruhr in Germany. This is the Ahorn Canada AE motorhome. For something like this in the current market, you're looking at around 65,000-70,000 euros, being realistic. Okay, this one here is coming at 67,645. The base price is 56,700. This is 748 centimeters long, 234 wide, and at its highest point it is 306 centimeters. This is a two-part vehicle. So if we come to the back here, we will find a German layout, as well as the toilet and the shower. Oh, it's not going to sell many ice creams at that speed. Anyway, good. So, having seen a quick look around at it, let's go right now back to the front, and I'll come round again. So, first thing I think I might want to do is to turn on the lights. The light switch is here, so let's just push this as the 12 volt and turn this on. And this on, and this on. In the center, we've got the step, which is down there. That's the step. So if I press this, the step shall go in or out. There you go. Right, so up here we have got a double bed with a one window. We've got a buckle up there, a buckle there, and a net here. That's to stop you falling out. There's also comes with a ladder, and this thing here will go up and down depending on if you want to have more room inside whilst you're driving. There, it's on a Renault, as I think I said earlier, and we've got this rather large table here. We have two belted positions there, and this rather large seat here, the point of which actually I fail to understand. Over here we've got a place for the television, rather large place for the television. We've got the electrical panel. Now you've seen me push a few buttons there earlier, but this is where we've got everything out. Now that thing at the entrance is just a quick thing to turn the lights on, to put the step out and put the 12 volt on in general. Here we've got everything in one go, including, for example, the water, this thing here, and other things. Here we've got a freezer and a three-way fridge from Thetford. On the other side, it comes with a rather sensible square-shaped sink with a large drainage hole, which is domestic, and 3 burners. And down here we've got, oh, I can't open it. Why not? It's because there is a central lock. Good idea. Now that opens like that, that opens like that, and down here we've got another bit of storage, which is quite convenient. Come in here and we find the beds. So still the mess that was in earlier. We can make this into a German layout by putting in an extra plate here and then filling in this one here to make an enormous bed. I mentioned storage. Let's have a look in here for the storage. And down here, this is our garage. So you get lots of space in there. I know it's a bit dark, but there we go. Space in the garage. Huge garage. That's a good thing. And Let's come now under here, under the bed. What could be down here? And there's even more, huge amounts of storage in there as well. I must congratulate this one for its storage potential. That's your boiler, and storage above the boiler as well. Cassette toilet with space for storage, and coming up here, see there's a sink, and there's an angled mirror as well with a door. In here we have got a shower, and from there we can control the heat in the vehicle and the hot water. So as we're now about to leave, see the step is not there, so let's put the step out. It's now out. It makes that noise as it comes out, and let's just turn off the 12 volt. Note, there is a fly screen here. So there's the garage door. Oh, it's not open, sorry. I wanted to show you from here, but I've already shown it anyway. Yeah, okay, never mind. Can't have everything. We'll try it at the other side. Yeah, pretty good garage in my opinion. Comes with a toolkit. So that is the Ahorn Canada AE. I hope you found that interesting. If you did, you might want to subscribe. I've got the largest selection of camper vans and motorhomes on this channel that you will find on YouTube. I upload every day at 21:15, and sometimes I upload other times as well, and I relatively often do live broadcasts, either from events or when something happens, or indeed just when I'm feeling like it. And if you press the bell, then you'll know when I'm doing a live broadcast and you can join in. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.